South Korea is located in East Asia on the southern half of the Korean Peninsula. It is bordered by North Korea to the north, and the East Sea, also known as the Sea of Japan, to the east. The landscape of South Korea ranges from high mountain ranges in the east, to coastal plains in the west, and rolling hills in the central region. The climate is temperate, with hot summers and cold winters. The population of South Korea is approximately 51 million people, and the official language is Korean. The country has a mix of religious communities, including Buddhism, Confucianism, and Christianity. The capital and largest city of South Korea is Seoul. Other important cities include Busan, Incheon, and Daegu. The currency in South Korea is the South Korean won. South Korean cuisine is characterized by its use of fermented sauces and spices, and it features a variety of dishes, including bibimbap, a rice bowl dish, kimchi, spicy pickled cabbage, and bulgogi, marinated beef. South Korean pop music, known as K-pop, is also popular in other Asian countries. Popular tourist attractions in South Korea include Gyeongbokgung Palace in Seoul, Jeju Island, and the Hwaseong Fortress in Suwon. Korea was divided into North and South Korea following the end of World War II in 1945. War broke out between North and South in 1950 and lasted until 1953. South Korea rapidly developed after the war, and underwent significant modernization and economic growth, transforming itself into one of the world's leading economies.